So up to this point, this hopefully all makes sense. However, you might be wondering which programming language we're actually going to use in this course. In this first example, which we transformed from dirty code to clean code, I used Python as a programming language. And indeed, you will need some programming experience, not with Python though, but in general. It does not matter at all which programming languages you are using in your projects and which other courses you are taking, but you need some basic programming experience to get the most out of this course. Because this course will not teach you how to write code, it will teach you how to write good code, and that's an important difference. Now, you don't need to be a senior developer or anything like that though. You just need some basic experience. You should have worked on some projects, but you don't need 5 or 10 years of experience, not at all. Now let me come back to the programming languages. In this course, I will mostly use Python and JavaScript/TypeScript for the examples. TypeScript simply is an extension, you could say, to JavaScript. It adds strict typing to the JavaScript language. And these are the two programming languages I will use for the examples in this course. Now, even if you don't know these languages, you will be able to follow along. You don't need to know them. I just use them because Python is very popular and a lot of people know Python. JavaScript and TypeScript, on the other hand, are quite similar to Java and C# and languages like that. That's why I wanted to include these different languages here. Now, the concepts taught will apply to all programming languages though, and if you have that basic experience which you need, you will be able to follow along even if you don't know these specific languages. You don't need to know either of these languages. If you are a C# or a Java or a Swift or anything like that developer, you will still get all the important information out of this course. Because the concepts taught in this course and the examples shown in this course apply to all programming languages. It's not specific to Python or JavaScript or TypeScript. It really applies to all programming languages. Of course, you should be able to read code like this and kind of understand it, even if you're not a Python developer. But given the fact that you should have basic programming knowledge, that will not be a problem. Because no matter if it's Python, Java, JavaScript, C# or whatever, the core ideas and things in programming languages are always the same. We have classes, objects, variables, constants, functions. This is always the same, and therefore the exact programming languages you know don't matter. You will get all the important information out of this course, no matter what your favorite programming language is.